The Esthetics Technology program at Craven Community College provides the training you need for a career in the beauty industry as an esthetician or skin specialist, employed in resorts and spas, salons, self-employment, and many countless jobs that are flexible and in high demand. As a student in the Esthetics Technology program, you will get hands-on experience in the art of skincare, including electrical facials, basic facials, hair removal, and many custom facial principles. You will also learn about general health and wellness, cosmetics, basic dermatology, chemistry, and anatomy. Instruction includes all phases of professional aesthetics technology, business and human relations, product knowledge, and other related topics. Upon graduation, you'll be prepared to take the North Carolina Aesthetics State Board licensing exam and will be fully licensed and qualified for employment in beauty and cosmetic skincare salons. Whether you want to stick close to home or travel the world, the Esthetics Technology program at Craven Community College gives you the flexibility to start a new career today. To learn more about Esthetics Technology at Craven Community College, visit CravenCC.edu/aesthetics. Craven Community College, your first choice.